Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Deluxe Bluetooth mouse. First, make sure your mouse is ready to pair. This means it should be powered on and have sufficient battery life, perhaps 2 fresh AA batteries or a full charge. Next, you'll activate the mouse's pairing mode, which often involves pressing a small button on the underside for a few seconds. Then, we'll navigate to your computer's Bluetooth settings to find and connect your device, ensuring a smooth setup. Before connecting, ensure your Deluxe mouse is properly prepared. Check that it has enough power. If it's rechargeable, give it a full charge or insert 2 fresh AAA batteries. Next, find the small Bluetooth pairing button, usually located on the bottom surface of the mouse. Press and hold this button for about 3 to 5 seconds. You should see an indicator light, often blue or green, begin to flash rapidly, signaling. Now, let's dive deeper into the melody and how to add some harmonic richness. The primary melody line is built around the G-sharp minor scale, giving it that signature West Coast sound. Pay close attention to the syncopated rhythm. It's crucial for capturing the song's groove. For added depth, try incorporating subtle harmonies, perhaps by playing parallel thirds or octaves with your right hand. Don't be afraid to experiment with different synth patches to find a sound that truly resonates with the original track. Once your computer starts scanning, you should see your Deluxe mouse appear in the list of available devices, often named something like Deluxe Mouse or a model number. Click on its name to begin the pairing. The connection should establish within a few seconds. You might see a connected status next to the mouse in your settings. Test the mouse by moving it around. The cursor should respond immediately, confirming a successful connection. Enjoy your new wireless freedom.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.